Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing where the widget belongs, home screen or today view, because placement affects visibility and interaction. Once you pick a screen, touch and hold an empty area until apps jiggle. This is edit mode. Make sure to tap the plus button at the top left to open the widget gallery. You'll see sizes and preview. Select a size that fits your layout, because size controls the density of information, and tap Add Widget to place it. Once the widget is on screen, you can drag it to the spot that makes sense for quick access. Placement changes how you reach data. If the widget supports configuration, long press it and choose Edit Widget to select accounts, lists, or sources. This is why some widgets show different content. To save space, create a smart stack. Drag one widget onto another of the same size, then swipe through them. Make sure to test interactions, because some widgets open apps differently. Finish by tapping Done or using the home gesture to exit edit mode, so your layout is locked and won't shift accidentally. You can reorder screens by holding a widget and dragging it across pages, and you can refine smart stacks by entering edit mode and rearranging the stack order. If a widget won't update or appears blank, update the app first, confirm your iPad OS is current, and then restart the iPad. This often resolves permission or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.